In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect a Nintendo Switch Fortnite account to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are playing Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch and you would like to connect your account to a PlayStation 5 to transfer over all of your progress, all of your skins, the shop items that you have, and so on, you can easily do it by visiting the official Fortnite website. So this process must be done through a web browser. You can use a computer, a laptop, or even your phone. Just go over to Fortnite.com. In this page, sign into your account at the top right corner of the screen, and once you are signed into your Epic Games account, click on the name and then go over to Account. Now, in here, you will find plenty of options to manage your Epic Games account, and all that you have to do is go over to Apps and Accounts at the left. Now, if you are on the Apps tab, switch over to Accounts, and you will find all the connections that you have established. So as you can clearly tell, this is where you will be able to connect different accounts to Epic Games. So the Epic Games account is going to be the main account that you use, and you will be connecting accounts from the Nintendo Switch, the PlayStation, and any other platforms that you play in. So if you primarily play on a Nintendo Switch, then all of your accounts will be listed, including the Switch one, and all that you would have to do is link the PlayStation Network account. If you have the PlayStation Network account linked and you are still missing the Nintendo one, then you just go over here and link that instead. Basically, you need to link the Nintendo account and the PlayStation Network account to the same Epic Games account. And once these links have been established, you are good to go. You can now sign into these Epic Games accounts on any console, either the PlayStation or Nintendo Switch, and your progress will be transferred over. Now, I cannot demonstrate this process in full, but basically when you click connect, you will be redirected here. You simply have to confirm your email, click on the option to connect the account, and you will be redirected to either the PlayStation website or the Nintendo Switch website, where of course you can finish this process. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Nintendo Switch Fortnite account to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.